Well, here are my 355 Dodges. I came over here to my dad's place in Alabama where I've got my other two cars stored. Got this one's of course my daily driver, 55 Custom Royal 4-door, the 270 Hemi, and drove it over here, and she did perfect. And then right here is a Custom Royal parts car. It's pretty rough. And you can see it's got a lot of rot. It's in pretty bad shape. And I took this quarter panel and put it on my car because I got hit on the left rear back in 2003. Tore my back end up pretty good. But I used that quarter and sort of fixed it. But believe it or not, this car has pretty solid floor pans in it. And it's going to be a donor car for my two-door hardtop here beside it. As you can see, the floors are actually in pretty good shape. All in all. Rockers too. At least on this side. And then right here, I have my Royal two-door hardtop. This was a really good deal I got on eBay a few years ago. And car looks a little rough, but it's actually not in too bad shape.